This is the culmination of a lot of development efforts that are bringing really the best components we have for all the aspects of the clutch to get the highest performance manual clutch we can package for the Harley market.
Figuring out how can we deliver a clutch product that's gonna appeal to everyone, whether you have just a stock bike or you're as custom as it gets. Easy to find neutral, easy to shift, great feeling clutch lever, and lots of modulation.
The Apex clutch system is a full drop-in clutch system that you can put right into your stock basket. You take out your stock clutch and you drop in the Apex clutch.
We do line your basket with these steel sleeves to protect it from notching, and so it can give you great durability and longevity. But the Rekluse basket with the Apex system is a perfect pairing.
Customers know Rekluse from the off-road space. That's where we got our start, specifically with our auto clutch technology. A lot of that allowed us to carry over to the street market.
So we want to make sure that this is a clutch that we can dial in for each specific bike application.
This is the first time we're releasing our new fixed pin technology. And so what that is, a new hub that basically gets rid of the aluminum on steel interface between the separator plates and the hub.
So having that steel interface in our hub where we're now contacting steel with our drive plates, we're not contacting aluminum like the OEM clutch hub, that allows us to, number one, unlock a lot more torque for a lot longer clutch life. And number two, it gives us a smoother contact, a more consistent, more precise surface so that as you're riding, you have a performance clutch, but you're not sacrificing anything in terms of feel. You actually are gaining a more consistent, a better clutch feel.
With these steel pins on the inner hub, our steel plates, when they index over these steel pins, what that allows for is them to move up and down very free. So what that does for you as the rider is when you pull on that clutch lever to disengage it so you can find neutral or anything like that, these are able to just slide up and down and separate your clutch pack. So you don't get that drag. It separates and it acts exactly as you would want it to, even when the bike's at full working temperature.
The other thing that's unique is we have a 17-plate clutch pack leveraging Rekluse's existing torque drive friction disc technology.
So a typical Harley clutch will have 9 or 10 friction discs. And in our Apex system, we have 17 friction discs.
That's what allows us to handle so much torque and so much power.
And then the other thing we open up compared to stock is we include optional pressure plate springs so that you can really tune the clamping pressure depending on how you have your engine built and equipped.
These different pressure plate springs, the color is how we know what stiffness these pressure plate springs are. And so depending on what color you have is going to determine how stiff or soft your clutch lever is.
In the Apex, it's all precision machined billet components that are hard anodized. So really targeted at increasing and maximizing oil flow through the clutch, which keeps it cool, especially in demanding situations.
So the oil flow in these components is really crucial because that determines how well the clutch engages, how well it disengages.
Well, as you can see, there's lots of paths inside the pressure plate inside here to help keep the heat down and help the clutch system last longer.
We can tune the pressure of the clutch specifically to the needs of each bike and each rider.
So this clutch system, although it's extremely beefy, can handle whatever you want to throw at it, it's also very beneficial for someone with just a stock engine that's looking for a performance upgrade that'll give them a soft clutch lever feel.